This coffee toffee recipe video has almost 120,000 views and counting on Instagram, and I have received a lot of positive feedback about this. I wanted to post it here on YouTube earlier, but I got busy with some things and couldn't finish up editing on time. Well, now it's here and I have no doubt you're going to love it. Only 4 ingredients and it takes only 30 minutes to make. So if you love coffee toffee, come closer, let's make this quickly. We'll start with half a cup of hot liquid milk. Add 3 tablespoons of coffee in the milk. The hot milk will dissolve it fast. By the way, I hope you have subscribed to my channel so you can see many of my amazing recipes. After mixing, we'll set that aside. My son is going to help me place a parchment paper on a board and then oil it with some margarine so that the candy we're about to make doesn't stick to it. Then we add 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter into a pan, let it melt, and then we'll add 2 cups of condensed milk and start to mix this. Once that is combined, you can now add the coffee and milk mixture. After adding this, continue to stir and stay close. You have to keep stirring. It will come together nicely and then it will start to thicken. You will notice that the liquid starts to get thicker and thicker. Just keep stirring, don't leave it alone. And let me quickly say thank you, beautiful people. Thank you so much for all your love and support on this channel. We are growing and it's because of you. Thank you so much for your support always. We are almost done with this, and as you can see, it has really thickened up. Just a few more minutes and this is what we have. You will see that it will start to lift from the pan all by itself, and you can do a little test. Put a tiny bit in water and you will see that it firms up immediately. So immediately transfer it onto a parchment paper and roll it out. You want to do this as quickly as you can so that it doesn't get cold and get tough. That way you will not be able to work with it once it gets cold. So what I'm just doing now is I'm trying to roll it out, not too flat. I want it a little bit thick, like maybe half an inch thick. Yes, and that is what I have. I'm going to cut it into these thin strips, and then I'll go further and cut it into like candy size. And then because I want it to have a really nice shape, I try to roll it a little, and this is what it looks like at the end of the day. I would have left it like this, but they'll keep sticking to each other, so I got brown paper. You can get brown paper from any baking shop. It can be white, it can be brown, just a paper for wrapping every piece individually. And oh my gosh, I cannot count the number of coffee toffee I've eaten at this point. Well, let's wrap everything. This is really simple. Just wrap each individual toffee in that paper and twist the ends like this, just like old-time candy, and this can keep in your refrigerator or on the countertop for weeks. But let me tell you, this did not last for more than a week in my house because it was so good. Everyone could not get enough of it. If you do try this, I would like you to share your feedback with me. The ingredient list and measurement is displayed on the screen. I'll also put it in the description box, so please check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, do not leave without giving me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that now. I have loads of amazing recipes to share with you. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I will see you again very soon with another fantastic recipe. Until then, keep cooking, have fun while you're at it, and have a fantastic day. Bye bye.